Page 63, Aria. This is from a cantata by J.S. Bach. You can Google what an aria is and Bach and the cantata and all that. Treble and bass clef. It's in the key of F major. There's one flat. They want you to draw in the flat in the key signature there. I'll let you do that. And then that's 4/4 time. And it has a pickup beat. We're coming in on beat 4. If you look at the last measure of the piece at the bottom, you'll see it only has 3 counts in it. So we're good to go. Right hand first. We got eighth notes and quarter notes and half notes. Thumb is on F. We're in this position. Remember, we're in the key of F, so I put my B flat, not B. So it's 4 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and like so. And we're good until the third line down. You're ending the beginning of the line, you have an F. During the rest, simply lift up and move. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and... Now they want you to cross over and use third finger now instead of fourth. I would prefer you use the scale fingering, which would be fourth finger. Because this way you're in position for the rest of the piece. So I recommend fourth finger on that B flat, not third. If you do third, then you're out of position at the bottom. You gotta lift up and come down again, which you can do because it's between phrases. It's just, in my mind, I like to have the fingering set, and this is like an F major scale. I'm gonna use an F major fingering. Besides, it puts me in position for the last line. So I'm going to use fourth finger on that B flat. In the last measure of the third line, it's here. 1 and 2, 4. I'm ending on, then I'm in. I recommend that. Left hand has the primary chords. You have the F chord. I'm not using the middle A. Well, if you look, it's in the right hand. So altogether, it's there. Rest. And then the 5/7 chord. Again, we're only using the 2 notes. That's fine. Well, there's a G in the right hand, so you have to consider all the notes being played, and that's both hands. And that's pretty much what you're doing. Go down to the third line. In the second measure, you're back to the 1 chord. And then you have the 4 chord for 1 beat. And you can't connect these chords. So just play them as connected as you can, it's fine. Put the hands together. Here. 4 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. Now when you play that F, the right hand comes up. 1, 2, 3. Let's go down to the third line down. You're here. 1, 2, 3. You got to move anyway, so get up there. 1, 2, 3. You were doing at the beginning. Once you can do that and get rid of the hesitations and the flow's okay, then put in the articulation. The slurs and the staccatos and the accents, if there are any. It's nice light wrist, short staccatos. So fourth, third line down, you're ending accent. Accent. Okay. Once you can do the articulation is okay, it sort of feels alright. Yeah. Dynamics. Sort of loud at the beginning, and this is for the right hand. Keep the left hand soft and out of the way. Whatever you think moderately loud is. Keep that left hand soft. Now you're going to echo that. You're going to be soft. So the left hand has to be very soft. Until you get to the third line, Now you're loud. That makes the accented note very loud. Keep the left hand under it. You can get a little louder in the left hand, but keep it under it. And try and connect as best you can't connect this. You can do that. I wouldn't worry about it, but think connected. And then at the bottom, last line, you're soft. Left hand's very soft. So forth. Speed-wise, they give you metronome markings, but you have to feel this. How fast do you think? Someone is singing this. They didn't put words in here, but this is a song somebody's going to sing. That's what an aria is. It's a vocal solo. I mean, allegro moderato is moderately fast. And so it's fast, but be moderate about it. That's about as exact as music gets right there. I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do the dynamics. I'll give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. Let's just make sure we have the right notes and rhythms. I'll leave it, speed it up and get into it, turn it into music. You can do that. No. I would prefer you discover this sound on your own, although I'm sure you can find recordings of this. If you look up Peasant Cantata, see what you can find. There's probably recordings out there. 1 and ready and go and.